What's up, guys? Let's pull some packs. So, the reason I got into Yu-Gi-Oh! Was mainly for the serialized cards, which come out in fall. And I think the box is called Limited Over Collection Heroes or Rivals or Magnificent Monsters. I don't really remember, but I'm chasing those cards. The value can go up pretty crazy, as I mentioned in some of the other videos. Nothing good. But because of that, I'm also learning how to play. I'm using Master Duels. I'm building a Blue Eyes White Dragon deck and a Dragon's Mate deck. I'm still really bad at this. I don't want to bend any cards. Yeah, I'm really getting into Yu-Gi-Oh! As a collector and as a player. After I learn the games and after I learn the mechanics of the game, I'm gonna build a physical Blue Eyes White Dragon deck and a Dragon's Mate deck. All right, guys. If you can, subscribe, like, support. Peace.